Now the next question. If the distance between the points x comma minus 1 and 3 comma 2 is 5, then the value of x. Here also we have to use the distance formula. Distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The distance is 5. This is the distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The distance we are given, if the distance between the points x comma minus 1 and 3 comma 2 is 5. So the distance we are given as 5. So next one, we have to substitute all the values in this formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1. Here x1 comma y1 is x comma minus 1. x2 comma y2 is 3 comma 2. This is x1 and this is y1. This is x2 and this coordinate is y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we have to substitute these values. What is x2? x2 is equal to 3. 3 minus, what is x1? x1 is x. Not given the value. It is x, right? It is x. Now 3 minus x whole square plus, what is y2? y2 is 2. 2 minus y1. y1 is minus 1. 2 minus minus 1. 2 minus minus 1 whole square is equal to 5. Now that is equal to, then here square root of, now we have to simplify this. Square root of 3 minus x whole square, that is 3 minus x whole square plus 2 plus 1 whole square. Here minus into minus plus. That's why here plus 2 plus 1 whole square is equal to 5. Right? Now we have to eliminate this square root. So how to eliminate the square root? We have to make the square, that is squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. Then squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then 3 minus x whole square plus 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is equal to 5 square. Both sides. Both sides. That is LHS as well as the RHS. We are making squares. Then after doing the squares, the square root will be eliminated and this will become 3 minus x whole square plus 3 square is equal to 5 square. 5. This also we have to, right hand side also we have to make this square. That is 5 will become 5 square. Now what is 3 minus x whole square? That is a minus b whole square. We have to use the identity. A 3 minus x whole square. That is a minus b whole square. Using the identity a minus b whole square, expand this 3 minus x whole square. That is 9 minus a square is 9. 2ab. 2 into 3 into x. 2 3s are 6. 6 into x. 6x plus x square plus 3 square is 9 is equal to 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. So this is x square minus 6x plus 18 minus 25 is equal to 0. Then x square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now we have to simplify this. X square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. That is, product is minus 7. The product is minus 7 and the sum is minus 6. Product is minus 7 and the sum is minus 6. Here, product that is coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is minus 7. So minus 7 into 1 is minus 7. So product I have written there. And the sum means it's coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 6. So sum is minus 6. So we have to find out two numbers. It's that their product is minus 7 and the sum is minus 6. That is minus 7 and plus 1. Then x minus 7. Now it implies x minus 7 into x plus 7. X plus 1. X minus 7 into x plus 1 is equal to 0 because minus 7 and plus 1 we are getting two factors minus 7 and plus 1. So x minus 7 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 1. Two values are there, x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 1. So 7 and 7 or minus 1, two values. X is equal to 7 or x is equal to, so 7 or minus 1. Option D. Next question is, if a by 3 comma 4 is the midpoint of the segment joining the points p minus 6 comma 5 and r minus 2 comma 3, then the value of a is. Here we are given the midpoint. If a by 3 comma 4 is the midpoint and 2 points p and r we are given, that is midpoint of p and r is a by 3 comma 4. Then we have to find out the value of a. Value of a. What is a? So what is the midpoint formula? Midpoint formula is x comma y. Suppose any point. Suppose x comma y is the midpoint. That is the coordinate of the midpoint. So that x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula for finding the midpoint of two coordinates. Here two coordinates, that is 2 points we are given. 2 points, that is p minus 6 comma 5 and r minus 2 comma 3 we are given. So the midpoint of pr is a by 3 comma y. So x, that is midpoint is a by 3 comma 4. This is the midpoint, that is x comma y. A by 3 comma 4 and right hand side. What is x1 and x2, y1 and y2? Substitute all these values in this formula, that is x1 plus x2. So this is x1, this is y1 and x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. P coordinates are x1, y1 and r coordinates are x2, y2. So x1 plus x2, that is minus 6 plus x2 is minus 2. Minus 2, x2 is minus 2. Minus 6 plus minus 2 divided by 2 comma y1. y1 is 5. 5 plus y2 is 3. 5 plus 3 divided by 2. That is equal to minus 6 plus minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 by 2 comma 8 by 2. Minus 8 by 2 comma 8 by 2. Then a by 3 comma 4 is equal to minus 8 by 2 comma 8 by 2. That is, what is minus 8 by 2? That is minus 4 comma 4. Minus 4 comma 4 is equal to left hand side, it is a by 3 comma 4. Midpoint. Midpoint of p and r is a by 3 comma 4. Now we have to find out the value of a. That is a by 3 comma 4 means x coordinate is a by 3 and y coordinate is 4. Minus, in minus 4 comma 4, x coordinate is minus 4 and y coordinate is 4. So x coordinate is equal to x coordinate and y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. Now I am going to take the x coordinate. What is x coordinate? A by 3 is equal to minus 4. X coordinate we are equating with the x coordinate, that is a by 3. Here x coordinate is a by 3. A by 3 is equal to minus 4. Then what is a? A is equal to cross multiplication. Minus 4 into 3 is equal to minus 12. So a is equal to minus 12. So the value of a, that is 12, not 12, this not 12, minus 12. Option C. A is equal to minus 12.